Welcome to Trend Update. My name is Trend. BTC is still pairing out this bearish divergence on the weekly chart. That is why we are seeing slow movement here. Then on the daily, we are still trying to defend this key support zone on this ascending channel. While on ETH, we are still defending this key level of support here. Then there's been a lot of liquidation building to the downside. Here you can see we have 85k here building here, we have 72k building, and as well we are still having liquidity moving out of the ETFs. Still moving because in a moment I will explain to you and show you the next level of resistance and support on the BTC chart. And as well, like and share this video so that I can begin to make more of these. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. Before we take a look at Bitcoin chart today, let's take a look at some important news on the ETF. Yesterday, we still have a little bit of outflow from the ETF, totaling $32 million. If you compare it to the past 3 days, at least we can see that it's reducing. It's gradually reducing because on 2026, we have a massive outflow, which is the biggest outflow among the 4 days. Biggest outflow totaling $708 million. I think the pressure on the ETF is beginning to find some ground and reduce, and this is a great news. Now, taking a look further into the Bitcoin liquidation map, we can see that we are still building a lot of liquidation price below BTC price currently. We have 85,800 as next target of liquidity on the Bitcoin chart. Then we have 72 here. We have at 72k, which has the most liquidity here. Then we also have a little amount here at $70,382. But what I want to point out to you is that we are starting to build a little amount of liquidity also at the top side, sitting at 109,200 on the BTC liquidation map. Now, taking a look at BTC on the weekly time frame, we can see that we are still playing out this bearish divergence. Here, we can see playing it out. That is why we are seeing little movement recently. We are just shopping around and moving sideways on the weekly time frame. So taking a look at the daily time frame, no much has really changed for the past 24 hours because yesterday I pointed out this trading pattern that is forming on BTC chart, and I can see that we are still holding strong above this key level of support here. And if there is a breakdown below this key level of support, next key level of support to watch out is sitting at 77,000 to 74,000. Then we still have a bit of strong support here sitting at 73 to 68,000. Like what I said yesterday, if we break below here, if we break below here, I will start to accumulate my BTC position here, this level 73k to 68k. This is where I'll be accumulating in the form of DCA in order to get a proper price. So zooming on to the lower time frame on BTC forward chart, we can see that for the past 3 months we have been here just shopping around without proper movement. We are just here shopping around for the past 3 months now. I can see how frustrating this is, but currently the market needs a lot of patience. It needs a lot of patience. Then taking a look at ETH is still having its same ascending channel pattern playing on the daily time frame, and currently we are still holding strongly above this key level of support here, sitting at 2,900 approximately. And if we are unable to hold here and we saw a breakdown below this key level of support here, we saw a breakdown, the next support to wash out is sitting at here 2,492 approximately. And if we are still unable to hold here, we're going to see the test at 1,004. This is my plan for ETH. If we break down below here, I'll begin to start the accumulation of my position here at the 2,500 levels till we get to 1,400 approximately. And if we are able to hold here firmly as a support, the next key resistance to watch out for is sitting at 3,400 approximately. And if we are able to break above this key level of resistance here, the next resistance to watch out for is the 4,000 region. It's 4,000. This is where we're going to find a little bit of struggle if we are able to break above this key level of resistance here. Then zooming out to the lower time frame on ETH, we can see that we are still holding firmly here. Still holding firmly here on the 4-hour time chart. We're still holding this key level of support sitting at 92k, like what I explained on the daily time frame. And we have a little bit of resistance here sitting at 3,080. And if we can break above here, if we are able to break above here, then find it as a support. Next resistance to watch out for is sitting at 3,300. Currently we have it at 3,300. If we are able to break above this key level of resistance here. So that is it for today, guys. I'll continue to update you on the channel. Please like and subscribe so that I can be making more of these videos.